seen was my brown people together, man, and you know, with the whole circumstances happening in Baltimore, that's been happening. These people just seeing that shit, yo. They just seeing that shit. That shit's been happening, yo. Yo, let me hold on a sec. I ain't gonna smile. How you expect me to, damn it? When my brothers and my sisters going through some issues, feeling like nobody is alive on this planet. Probably because we're zombies eating, buying, listening blindly. It's outlandish. Can't stand it. Ignorance runs rampant. For a fragment. When the law slam a child and make him taste towel, then you ain't gonna smile. Huh? You better be okay with that. Cause if not, click clack, in comes a gat with 6 shots to your baby's back. Facts. No justice for your baby if your baby black. Make me wanna snap on any given track. Look where we at. 100 years later, they still trying to hang us. 9 to 5 minimum wage propaganda. CNN, Fox News, and the views of Satan. Listen, listen, drop that shit, Slaps.
Go, Swag.
Drop that shit. Big sexy, Buffalo, let me see how it go, keep them hands high. Buffalo, how it go, let me see how you feel, keep them hands high. All my people stepping